Hello, this is Professor Marsh, and this is the welcome and introductory video for Business Taxation at Newberry College, Accounting 431. This semester, we're going to use the textbook, the McGraw-Hill Taxation of Business Entities 2023. This is my copy is a loose leaf copy, but you can obtain it. Get a license for it to access it online, which is just fine. That's probably the least expensive way of getting the textbook. It's an excellent textbook, and it has a lot of coverage of material that we're going to cover, and then a couple of chapters that we'll probably just skim or perhaps even skip over as the semester progresses. Now, at the present time, we only have one student, so Ms. Ober, you are the only one registered at this time to take this course. So we're supposed to meet in McClure room 310 tomorrow at 1:10. Monday at 1:10 in the afternoon, not Sunday, but Monday. And what I would like to do is at that time figure out if you are going to be the only student, perhaps we can do some sort of a independent study where maybe we meet in person one time a week, and then the rest of the week we'll do just assignments, or maybe check in on Fridays sometimes. The course is a very comprehensive and really a really interesting course that explains all sorts of aspects of business taxation. Now, this is a skill that is one that is highly marketable, and the ability to understand business planning and the tax aspects of business planning is a really high-level skill for top corporate executives, CPAs who practice in the tax field, and business advisors of all sorts. So, learning the skills of business taxation it's a very important topic. I have the syllabus posted in Wolfden. You'll see we've got a 13-week course, and I've got 13 weeks of assignments. We're basically going to do a chapter a week until we get to week 13, during which we will either skip over week 12. We'll either skip over chapters 12 and 13, or perhaps we'll do a summary of them. I do have a set of bullet points for the 3 top points for each topic, so I'll distribute that, but I'm not sure if we really need to have a lot of formal exercises with respect to state taxation and U.S. taxation of multinationals. The last week, week 13, we will handle chapter 14, which is a topic that's near and dear to my heart, which is transfer taxes and wealth planning. So we'll get into estate and gift taxes and some of the estate planning that's done to try to reduce transfer taxes, and that's actually an area in which I am certified as a specialist by the Bar Association. I've practiced in this area for in excess of 40 years. I started in public accounting at the firm that is now known as Deloitte. I also spent some time in the bank wealth management department at the bank that's now known as Wells Fargo. And then I've had my own law firm, or been a partner in a law firm for probably 35 out of the last 40 years. So very interesting topics. I am posting as a resource in your assignment a photocopy of chapter 1 of the textbook. So if you don't have the textbook now, you can read it in a PDF that I'm posting in Wolfden in unit number 1. So go ahead and start reading chapter 1. I will post a preliminary quiz that we can talk about on Monday, and then also a homework assignment for Chapter 1 that'll be due by the end of the week. And the first chapter is just sort of a basic review of business income deductions and accounting methods. If you've already taken the individual income tax course, it'll be a review of that chapter if you had the same McGraw-Hill text. So if you haven't, then it'll just basically start building on your knowledge from accounting of business income and deductions, calculation of net income, but also we'll have an overlay with some of the fine points of taxation. So look forward to meeting you and look forward to working together as we go through the semester. And if you have any questions, I've got all my contact information on the syllabus. Don't hesitate to contact me. It's got my cell phone number, so if you need to call over the weekend or sometime early morning, whatever, that's no problem. So have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.